Alright, so welcome. We're going to do binary conversion again. Remember, binary is a computer language, ones and zeros only, and denary is a human computing language, well, a human number system, I should say, that has 10 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, right? And from those 10 digits, we make all other numbers. So again, binary is a computer language that has only 2 digits, 1 and a 0, and denary is our human counting number system that has 10 digits that we use to make all other numbers. And today we're going to be converting from denary to binary. So let's go, giving you examples. We're going to convert the number 7, going to convert the number 12, and finally we're going to convert the number, I'm going to say number 5. So let's convert these. So again, we always start with our table. So we start with 1. We always start on the right. Then we double it. We get 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. We draw our table like this. Okay, so the number here is 7. So what we're going to do to convert 7, we need to ask ourselves, which one of these numbers do we add together to get 7? So 7 right away, you can see that 7 is less than 8. So the number that we need to add has to be less than 8. So we can't add anything on this side. Because if we were to select anything from the 8 on this side, we would get a number higher than 7. So 7 is less than 8. So the numbers we have to select are on this side, So to get 7, we can add a 4. So we put a 1 here, that's 4. Then we add a 2, that gives me 6. And then we add a 1, and that gives me 7. The rest of these, we don't add them, so they are not necessary. Or you can put a 0. So when we convert 7, the answer is going to be 1, 1, and 1. So when we convert 7 to binary, this is going to be 1, 1, 1. And we put the little 2 right here that tells me that it's a binary number. Let us convert the number 12. To do that, we start down here with a table. We keep on doubling. We start with 1, 2. Double it, we get 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. Right, so I'm drawing my table. Alright, so 12. 12 we know is less than 16. So because it is less than 16, we can't use anything from 16 upwards. We have to use from 8 down. Right? So to get 12, we need to add an 8, and we add a 4. 8 plus 4 give me 12, and these become 0. And the rest of these up here, we don't need them, so we add a dash. So when we convert 12, our answer is going to be 1, 1, 0, 0. So for 12, our answer is going to be 1, 1, 0, 0. We'll put the little 2. Alright, the next number we're going to convert is 5. So this is the letter C. The next number we're going to convert is 5. So again, the number we're converting is 5. We start with our table. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So I'm just drawing my line. Alright, so 5, as we can see, is less than 8. So the numbers we have to use to get 5 are going to be from these go down. These go down. So we don't need 8 because 5 is less than 8. So we don't need these numbers because, again, 5 is less than 8. So anything above here is going to give us a number greater than 5, and we don't want that. So to get 5, we need to add 4. We always start with the first digit. and we add 1. And then we don't add 2, so we put a 0 here. Right? So 5, when converted to binary, is going to give me 1, 0, 1. Right? We add a little 2. So again, because 5 is less than 8, we don't need these digits here. And we start with 4, because 4 is easy, or close to 5, and then we add 1, which will going to give me 5. Alright? Moving on, I'm going to do a bonus. Let me do a bonus one. Let's convert the number 26. So to convert the number 26, we start with our table always. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Alright, so 26. 26 is less than 32. So we don't need any number from 32 onwards. So we always start with the number right after, which would be 16. So we add a 1 here. So 16. So which number do I add to 16 now to get me 26? Well, if I add an 8 to it, that's gonna give me 24. So 16 plus 8 gives me 24. If I add a 4, that's going to be 28. That's going to be too much. So I put a 0 here. So 24 plus 2 gives me 26. And I don't need a 1 because if I were to add 1, it's going to give me 27. So I put a 0 here. So my answer is 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So when I convert 26, my answer is 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. And that's how I convert 26 to binary. And that's it. That is how you convert from denary to binary. Again, we're converting from denary to binary. Always remember to use your table, right? Since 7 is less than 8, we don't need these numbers here. Alright, we always start with these numbers here because 8 is greater than 7, so we don't need these here. Alright, and basically that's how we do it.